Ready, set, go.
Yo, you know what we should do? I'll make a conference call. Oh, but it's not after 7, so I'm gonna get charged. I could make a 3-way. I'm actually...
Are you done, Steven?
I'm done.
Let's zoom in on that shit.
That's so annoying.
No, now it's out of focus.
Oh. It sounds like an alien or something. This is such a pointless video.
Are you done?
I'm done whenever you are.
How many different sounds can you make out of that?
Now it's it.
Well, that sounds like a police car. Okay, and you just see Mark over here
What's up?
sleeping his balls off.
I'm not sleeping.
His balls go off. Oh, his balls are coming off. Look at that. Look at that.
Are you zooming into my balls?
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at his balls.
Jimmy, you are such a porno director.
Yeah. Nice balls, Mark.
Ouch, ouch, ouch,
Mark, show me your face.
ouch. Hi. What's up?
Looking good.
I can't get up.
That will actually make a pretty good video. You guys want to see it?
Can you stop?